Hello guys, this is Glen from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we're going to talk about, can I still get my mobile phone repaired during lockdown in Australia? Well, let me start by saying that it is not worth it to go outside to have your mobile phone fixed if you're a high risk or even an unvaccinated person that could possibly be infected with COVID-19. So please, if it's not that urgent or you still have a spare smartphone you can use for the meantime, please stay at home. However, if you think it is urgent and important to have your smartphone repaired, please contact our repair shop. It's Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And this is our phone number just in case you can't reach us on Facebook or Instagram because your smartphone is broken. So, can I still get my smartphone repaired during lockdown? Yes! According to nsw.gov.au guidelines, certain businesses are still allowed to be open to provide essential products and services to the public. This obviously includes shops that predominantly carry out repairs of mobile phones, and that is us, Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Other businesses that are also allowed to be open includes supermarkets, grocery stores, petrol stations, banks, post offices, and dry cleaners. Should you be worried about the repair personnel that will handle your smartphones inside the repair shop? Are they infected? Well, rest assured that workers within Sydney CBD Repair Centre that deals with repairs and inquiries are all tested negative for COVID-19 and they are fully vaccinated. As evidence, here's our repair technician David having his vaccine last time. Look how happy he is. He's the one you see fixing smartphones in our YouTube channel and Facebook. Our receptionists and other technicians are also tested negative and are all fully vaccinated. So always keep in mind that your safety is our top priority. We'll continue fixing your smartphones to help you in these trying times. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time, cheers!